I'll be reviewing the SwitchPod tripod, vlogger's best friend. I love this invention. I'm a huge follower of Pat Flynn, and this is his brainchild. This is the tripod vlogging selfie stick, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty cool. It's made out of alloy, aluminum alloy, so it's very lightweight, very durable. It's shaped for your hand regardless of which way you're facing it. So if you're doing a selfie vlogging type thing, you can face this outward, hold it. It's a good form fit for your hand, and you can do the whole self-recording thing, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, no problem. And if you want to record outward, you just flip it around, and it's great. And if you have a microphone attached, you can face the microphone toward you, no problems whatsoever. So I love this because it's great for both phones and DSLR cameras or mirrorless cameras, whatever you happen to be using to create your content. And it's also has these cool little pads at the bottom. So wherever you're setting it, it's pretty, you have to worry about things getting scratched. And it folds nice and flat, so it's easy to carry around. It weighs about 300 grams, so super light, but it has a weight capacity of about 6.6 pounds. I don't think you're gonna have a camera that weighs that much, so you'll be in good shape. I love how easy it is to put cameras on and off. It has this little handle at the bottom. You just spin this guy, this knob, and your camera comes right off, no problem. It has a typical apparatus here for screwing on most normal size cameras. And you can get adapters for your phone, and I'll be sure to put that in the B-roll here. So you can put a camera on here, microphone, whatever you need for your particular setup. And I just love this thing because it's super lightweight. It even has these holes, so if you want to, when you're traveling or whatever, if you just want to stick your finger in there and hold it around, it's pretty easy. It's good for video conferencing, recording videos. I'm a therapist, so if I need to quickly jump on a telehealth call or something like that, I can just throw my phone on here and then set it up on my desk. I knew Pat Flynn would make nothing but exceptional products, so very happy with it. Great purchase, couldn't be happier. You can get all kinds of adapters for it, the ball head made by the same product, SwitchPod, if you want to get that, or you can get third-party applications for it, no problem. All right, well, I'm sure you'll be having a good time with it and have fun creating. Bye-bye now.